Welcome back everybody to another episode of Build It
My Way, the Do Good series.
You know that episode that makes you tingle because you do good? What's up, brother? Makes you feel good like he did.
So this episode, Heikel is nominating someone very special, someone that has been in the industry with you for a very long time.
Yeah, we actually won a competition together called Icon back in the day with Surya, the one and only Marina Yusuf.
We are so happy to do this for Marina Yusuf because she is such an inspiration to so many of us mothers.
Come on guys, check it out. Let's roll. Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Let's roll.
Let's roll. Yes.
See you guys. Let's roll.
I can't wait to do this.
Here we go.
Assalamualaikum.
Hey.
Assalamualaikum. So we're here with Marina Yusuf. Yay!
I'm very happy to introduce to all of you a very good friend of mine. She became a great wife and then she's a great mother, the great Marina Yusuf.
She's so beautiful inside and out.
I nominated Marina because of all the good that you've always been doing other people. So together I work with this company called Gate Door Window, Build It
My Way.
And this is the Do Good series.
Yes.
Where we go around and are giving gifts to people together with Gate Door Window. So thank you very much, Gate Door Window. So we came here today to say that you've got a choice to do whatever you want.
Yes. First of all, thank you so much for this wonderful program.
I know, sir.
So when Belle told me about it, I was very excited. Yeah, I have a room for my son, but he now already 16.
He's 16 already?
16 already.
That little baby?
Yeah. So he got one room over there, which is open, glass door. So he said, Mommy, come on lah, I need a room for privacy and all that.
So your son does not know about this, right?
No.
Okay, so we're going to surprise him.
Yes.
We're going to get Gate Door Window, check it out, right? Take a look at your measurements and everything.
Okay.
And then you get to choose what kind of,
what kind of
door you want.
what kind of glass. Is also to beautify your house.
Yes.
And he gets his privacy. It's a win-win.
Yes.
So you choose what you want, Gate Door Window will come and sort you out.
Okay, this is so exciting. Yes. So we're going to get Gate Door Window, come in and check out your space, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
So once again, we're very happy to be here. I'm very happy to do this. Guys, this is the Build It My Way, Do Good series. We are at Marina Yusuf's house to see the finished product. But first and foremost, I'd like to introduce a brother of mine, a good friend, a family friend. This guy.
Just say my name, bro.
Bro, introduction, ma.
Fast one.
Okay.
Hot, bro.
So, like that, guys, this is none other than my brother, Eddie, from
Hi.
Gate Door Window.
I'm Eddie.
Yeah, I just said your name already.
Yeah lah, then you play on my tongue, bro.
Redundant, bro. You've met Marina already?
Just.
Yeah, this is my sister, bro. Yeah.
Halal, bro.
Oof. You're not Muslim also, you know halal get what?
I half, bro, because of you.
Baik. Baik. So yeah, we have Eddie from Gate Door Window. He's here to show us the end product of what we've done for Marina and her son. Is your son happy?
Very happy. I'm very happy. My son very happy. Everybody were like, wow, Mommy, so nice.
And that's what the Do Good series is all about, you know. Again, I want to thank Gate Door Window for being a part of this.
You're welcome, bro.
Right, without further ado, Eddie, want to show us what Gate Door Window has done? Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
I see what you guys see. I'm so happy and so pleased. Gate Door Window, well done, man, Eddie. Really, well done,
You're
man.
welcome, you're welcome.
First of all, I didn't expect to be this nice. Seriously.
So previously, this was actually an open glass corner.
Yes.
So there's actually no privacy from the living room and the room. So what we did is we dismantled the whole thing, built up a fixed panel with 2 sliding doors, which gives the privacy also using aluminium frame with frosted laminate glass, which is strong and durable.
Oh, double panel, bro.
Yeah.
Why double? Why not single?
Single panel, you were to slam the door, the glass will break.
Ah, that makes a lot of sense. So a double panel is actually what you're looking for. This black frame, it's aluminium?
Yes.
Yes, aluminium. So it's anti-rust, it's light also. So it'll be easy for you to open and close. All our sliding doors, we're actually doing it on a top hung track. So you don't see any bottom tracks.
Yeah, nothing.
So
Wow.
with a new door, it will not damage your flooring.
Gate door window, when they do their doors, even their toilet doors and their room doors, it's trackless. If you're the sort that drags your feet, you know, like you just slide your feet, you're not gonna hurt it. If there are tracks there, right, you're gonna hit your feet there.
I just love it lah. Very nice. It's very smooth, very sleek, very seamless. The things itself enhance the beauty and the look of the house.
The house already nice. Then gate door window came and put a touch to it.
Make it nicer.
Make it nicer.
Make it nicer.
Yes. The family is happy with
Very
it.
happy.
Marina, you've got a beautiful family. For you to do this for your son, it means there's a certain kind of love that a mother has for a child. So thank you very much
Thank you
for
very
allowing
much.
us to do
Thank
this.
you.
Eddie, gate door window.
Welcome.
Thanks for being. Let me finish first.
Okay. Can we restart?
Yeah, okay, now lah. Eddie, thank you very much for having Gate Door Window be a part of this Do Good series. What else can we say but thank you very much?
You're welcome.
Yes, my brother. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Marina. Thank you very much, Eddie. Build It My Way, Do Good series. One more time for your mind. Now to the next episode.
Yes.
Hope you guys have been enjoying the show. Do subscribe to the Beautiful Home channel because your subscription is our prescription. Peace.